Unveiling the phrase, check something out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, check something out. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's get started and explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to practice. Check something out can mean several things depending on the context. Generally, it's used to suggest taking a closer look at something, investigating, or exploring something of interest. It's a versatile phrase that you can apply in various scenarios, from casual conversations to more formal inquiries. Exploring or examining. When you're interested in seeing something up close or learning more about it, you'd use, check something out. For example, let's check out that new coffee shop downtown. This implies visiting the coffee shop to see what it's like. Borrowing from a library or renting. In libraries or rental stores, check something out means to borrow an item. So, I'm going to check out these books means taking the books home with you, under the condition you'll return them later. Informal investigation. It can also mean to informally investigate or look into something. For instance, I'll check out that website you mentioned. This means you intend to look at the website to gather information or satisfy your curiosity. Context is key. Always consider the situation you're in, as it greatly affects the meaning of the phrase. Informality. Remember, it's a fairly informal phrase, so it's perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable for very formal contexts. Variations. Be aware of similar phrases like, check it out, or check this out, which are used to draw attention to something specific. That's a wrap on, check something out. We hope this video has shed some light on how versatile and useful this phrase can be in your English conversations. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more English language tips. See you next time.